Hi guys, welcome to my channel Uplifted by Amiksha. So the today's topic we are going to discuss is believe in yourself. It is easier said than done. Why it is important to believe in yourself? If you don't believe in yourself, then who will? Not even parents or anyone will believe in yourself. And everybody else who are present in your life are transient. We are the ones who stay with ourselves since the time we are born till the time we die. And I would like to give you great examples for the people who believed in themselves. There is Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, our business tycoon, Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Then there is Michael Jackson. Then Mr. Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and many more. And you know what? One thing which is common in all of them, it is they never gave up, despite the difficulties they faced in their life. I'd really urge each one of you to at least go through their life, how they have lived, and how they have overcome obstacles. And another most important thing is they never lost any hope. The next day, they again started working on themselves and working towards their goal. Okay, so uh, now you'll think, what should we do? And how should we believe in ourselves? So, the answer for you is you have already believed in yourself and you have reached great heights in your life. It is just that you're not aware of. Like, I like to give example of Lord Hanuman. He had so much great potential, but he never believed in himself. He was never aware about it. The person in his life made him aware about the potential. Okay. What you can do is you can make a list of things that you have achieved in your life till date. So whenever you feel low, you'll have some amount of list you can look back on. So from that you can gain motivation. Another most important thing is cut out the negative voices which is coming from your mind also and even from your surroundings. Because कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. But it is very much important to cut out those negative and toxic voices which are present, because nobody is going to live your life. They're just going to give some or the other comments. You have to be you have to be the driver in your car. Nobody should kind of take away that from you. Okay. And the third most important thing is focus on your goal, believe in universe, and just work hard for it. Put blinders, cut out social media, anything. And what I would say is just give 1 year to yourself. Let people say what they want to. If your goal is right and you want to reach great height in life, you will definitely achieve it. And there are many more important points, but these are the three things if I feel that you should focus on. And if this message even reaches or changes one person, it would be a great achievement for me. I look forward to making many such videos and inspire you guys. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a list of things that you want me to cover, you can list down in the comment section below. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.